Hey, what's up guys? It's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's quick video, I want to share some exciting news. In the last video, I kind of teased about this new investment that we've just done for Hole Printing Inc. And also, in the 2024 must-watch video, you guys also saw a quick sneak peek. In this video, we're going a bit more in depth. I'm going to show you quickly the new investment. I'm really excited, as you can see, to show you guys the newest addition to the Hole Printing Inc. shop. So, what is this new machine? This new machine is a DTF commercial printer. I've been dreaming about this machine ever since I started around 3 years ago. This machine is going to take our print shop to a whole new level, and I'm really excited to see what this machine is capable of. Now you might be asking to yourself, why did I invest into a DTF commercial printer? Honestly, it all came down to an incredible deal I've got. I've got this deal for this DTF commercial printer and I just could not pass up on it. I will keep the amount that I've paid confidential out of respect for the seller. However, the deal that I've gotten on this DTF printer is out of this world. Only the Most High, God, whatever you want to call it, has blessed me with this technology, and I could not be grateful enough. Again, it was really a financial decision. It would have been stupid not to purchase. When did I get this commercial printer? I actually went ahead and drove around 1.5 hours to go and get this commercial printer back and forth. And I actually bought this commercial printer on the 16th of December 2023. So me and Charles, which you've probably seen in other videos, and my cousin, we went ahead and we drove to a place around 40 minutes from here. We got a commercial trailer, and my cousin came with his truck, so we hooked up the commercial trailer to my cousin's truck and we drove to go get the commercial printer. So basically, when we arrived to the location which the printer was staying at, it was covered with a tarp. We untarped the printer. Lucky for us, the printer is on rollers, so we were able to roll the printer, and lucky for us, over there they had a ramp. So we were able to roll the printer on the actual trailer itself, strap the printer, then we rolled up the oven, which is quite heavy, into the trailer, and we strapped it up and we drove back to my place. Once we got here, we opened up the garage door and we carefully took the printer, and here we didn't actually have a ramp so the printer could, slide onto. So we had to actually use manpower. Charles and my cousin was on the other side of the trailer, like a big trailer that opens up like this, 2 doors, and we had around 1 to 2 feet of height before touching the ground. So we actually pulled the printer out as much as we could. Charles and my cousin was holding the printer on both sides, and I was inside of the trailer holding the printer like this, and then they actually slid it on the ground, and then I was able to go ahead and drop it. We dropped the printer, and then when it came to this long oven right here, same thing. We took out the oven itself as far as we could. Charles and my cousin hold the oven, they placed it down, and then once the oven was on the ground, the side outside of the trailer, Charles and my cousin came on both sides, and I was holding the oven like this, and we dropped it. So it all came down to manpower because we didn't actually have a ramp to be able to bring the oven and the printer down. So it all came down to manpower. I don't know how we did it, but we got it done, and up to date, I don't think we broke anything, which is very good. As you can see, the printer currently is not functioning. There's a few things to fix on it. It's in very good condition. I'm gonna show you guys an actual, I don't want to say unboxing, but once the printer is up and running, I'll give you guys an updated video, but I did want to give you guys an update of what's going on. So currently, what we've done is, obviously I've paid for the printer. We brought the printer in the shop. I've cleaned the printer. Now the printer is in the shop. It's at the location I want it to be. So as you can see, we took away some cabinets. We took away my desk that was like an L shape right here. We took that away. We basically made place for the DTF printer itself. This thing is absolutely massive. As you can see, it's taking up a big portion of my shop. So everything is ready. The next step is obviously to clean it a bit more. I want to clean this part a bit more here. It's a bit dirty, but besides that, everything is in pretty good condition. There's a bit of stuff to clean here. So I want to clean it a bit more. We need to install the electricity. The electrician should be coming around Monday to Tuesday next week. We're currently the 6th of January at the date of this recording. So the electricity should be done next week. We need the technician to come do the first evaluation. So once the electricity is set up, we need the technician to come over and actually do some testing to see what part is missing. Once the technician is gone, we need to order the missing parts. Once we receive the missing parts, we need to go ahead and physically fix everything on the printer. And then the technician is gonna come again, and then we're gonna go ahead and install the parts that we're missing, make sure everything is running smoothly. And then the most exciting part, guys, is to do our first test print and get this printer up and running. I would say a few more weeks and this printer could be technically up and running perfectly. I don't want to be too optimistic. I'll keep you guys updated as the journey continues and as we carry on through the weeks of January. But optimistically, we could have this printer up and running before the end of February if everything goes smoothly. If not, maybe late February. We'll see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated. Just wanted to give you guys a quick heads up. As you can see by the speed at which I'm talking, I am very, very excited about this new investment, and I'll bring you guys a whole bunch of new updates as the time goes on. And obviously, once this printer is up and running, we're gonna have lots of new videos coming your way on this DTF commercial printer. I wanna thank every single one of you for taking the time to watch this video and also for being a part of this journey for over 3 years. I would not be in a position to have this much abundance if it wasn't for every single one of you watching, commenting, liking, sharing the videos, and showing your love and gratitude. I'm really excited to bring you guys a whole bunch of new videos on this new printer itself and the printing shop in general. Thanks so much for watching. Lots of updates coming very soon. If you found this video somewhat insightful, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Whole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.